As you will see between the last video and this video, I went ahead and built out the back of the head. Also, you notice I kind of made these points, kind of drug them down to get these my flow zone here. Also, I moved these around further to the left-hand side in order to get this rounded look on the back of the head here. So now what I need to do is I need to make a space here, or create some polygons here to connect my front part of my face to the back part of my face, and I'm going to leave a hole up here at the top for my ear. So how I do that is I go here to click on my edge face, then I'm going to select this edge here, hold down my control key, select this one here, one there, this one here. Just going to work my way down to the bottom here and just select all these to get these back here. I'm going to leave these open at the chin because I'm going to build the chin out a little later. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the shift key, drag these back, just make kind of another set. Release the shift key, release the mouse key, hold down the shift key one more time, create another set right here. Release the shift key, release the mouse key, hold the shift key down, click my mouse one more time until I get to where I'm touch this point right here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld these points along here to the back. Now you notice some of them do match, like I have a vertices here that matches with the vertices here. I have a vertices here that matches with the vertices here. But notice I do not have one up here. So what I need to do is create swift loops where I don't have, so I have a point to attach it to. So I'm going to go here to edit, click on swift loops, and I'm going to go right here and I'm going to add a swift loop to match that right there. Then I'm going to go down here, add a swift loop to match this one over here. One more swift loop there, another swift loop there, and then the bottom one will actually attach here. So now what I do is I go up here and I turn off swift loops. Then I go over here and click on my vertex and then go down to target weld. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to have to reselect target weld after I zoom in. Then I'm going to click on target weld, and I'm going to click on that vertex there and weld it to that one there. Click on this one here and click on that to weld it there. Click on this one, weld that back there. Go up here and scroll up a little bit. Click on target weld again, since I did have to use my pan hand. Weld that back there. Now notice I'm going from the left hand side over to the right hand side. And then I knew you'd have one more swift loop. I didn't count right, so I'm going to add one swift loop here. And turn off that swift loop. And click on target weld again. And click from here to there, and then Control Z. But I missed one. Yeah, right there. And now I have my Shrek head. If I go here to my Matroff target weld, if I go here to my perspective viewport, hit Alt W, you can see now I can spin around and I can actually I click it right, I can spin around, and you can see my head now has pretty decent shape. If I go here and turn on NURBS, and I can go turn off my vertex mode, and here turn off edge faces, you can see he's beginning to look better and better. In the next video, what I'm going to do is show you how to build out the ear.